Hey man, what is up, man? Today, you can see by the title what video this gonna be. I got my blinkers on right now to go in to this Popeyes, bro. And this shit is on smash. Bro, the line is like on the street, bro. I don't know if I should do this because I feel like I'm gonna get disappointed, bro. I feel like as soon as I pull up, I'm gonna be like, yo, I want a chicken sandwich. She gonna be like, we sold out. And I am not going to no other Popeyes, bro. So it's either a W or a W. Y'all drop W in the comments right now. Cause y'all know TY don't take no L's. So look at the line, bro. The line is on the street, my nigga. But hey, I'm doing this for y'all now. Today, I wasn't even gonna do this, so I changed my cheat day. Today gonna be my cheat day. I don't really eat fast food, but I done heard a lot of shit about this chicken sandwich, so we about to see. We about to see what it's really about. You feel me?
Oh my god, I swear, nobody not getting in front of me, bro. Where you going? Where you going?
No cap. Bruh. Y'all see the sign, bro? Y'all see the sign, bro? Y'all see the fucking sign, bro? I'm hot. I'ma still ask. Watch this. Let's still ask, bro. Watch this. I've been saying.
Cause I'm ready to get the fuck ASAP after this shit.
Alright, y'all. We about to try this again. This is day number 2 of trying to search for this chicken sandwich, man. I woke up early. I trained a client. And now I'm back trying to get this motherfucking sandwich, bro. I'm gonna get this sandwich, bro. If I gotta go every day, I'm not gonna do that. Popeyes hopping, nigga. I'm straight. It don't come down to all of that. You feel me? It's not worth it. But like I said, I'm in line right now, man. I'm about to be next. So I don't see, you know, I already know what the deal is. I'm looking for the sign on the little shit. I don't see the sign. So I've been in this line about 30 minutes, man. So let me tell you this right now. I know it probably been like a week or two that this chicken sandwich been going crazy. But if you go in a line today or tomorrow or next week, it's always gonna be full at every time of the day. I passed by this morning, this shit was packed. I'm like, hell no, I got a client to train. They got me fucked up. 8 a.m. Motherfuckers trying to get chicken sandwiches. I'm just trying to try the motherfucker. I might say something different once I try it, but I'm just trying to try it. All the hype behind it, you feel me? And my homeboy just came through and he said that shit was fire. And trust me, that nigga know about food. He a big boy, you feel me? So you gotta believe your big boy friends, bruh. If they tell you that shit good, that shit fire. But we in line right now, man. About to pull up and tell her what it is. If she tell me ain't no chicken sandwiches, I'ma tell her, you feel me, just give me a breast or a boneless chicken wing, and I'ma make my own fucking sandwich. Oh, I don't see no sign. We in the club, baby. We looking good, baby.
Hi, welcome to Popeyes. Would you like to try 10-piece family meal for only $22.99?
Hell no. Don't let me wait no more. I don't want to wait. I'm ready to. You feel me? It's been a wait. I've been waiting too long. Hello?
Go ahead, please.
Yeah. Can I get the spicy chicken sandwich?
The classic or the spicy?
The spicy.
Just a sandwich?
Yeah. With fries. You hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
No pickles on it.
All right.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Alright, man. Here we go, man. We got the motherfucking. We gotta get moving fast, bro. We gotta do everything quick.
And you forgot that you worked out?
We got a package too, bro.
What? Oh, I'm out of here.
Alright, y'all. Here we go, man. The moment of truth, bruh. All the hype. We gonna see what all the hype is about. You feel me? I need to know what all the hype is about. Y'all let me know if y'all fucking with the new background, man. I got new lights coming. I told y'all, we gonna take off. Why is my camera? You know, I'm trying to show y'all the whole background. Y'all see it, man? Okay. So, enough talking, man. You know, we finna go right in. Finna get right into it. You know, I'm not even using that shit. You know, I got my sippy juice. Feel me? Feel what I'm saying? Yes, sir. If you think you too grown to drink sippy juices, you could just unsubscribe to my channel. Nah, don't ever unsubscribe to my channel. You know damn well you grew up on sippy juices. Nah, don't play. Don't play. Don't play. Oh my god. Oh my god. But I heard a lot, bruh. It looked good as hell. I'm thinking the bread good too, though. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh fuck. Mm. 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 Oh shit. Oh. Mm. Oh. Oh. Mm. Mm. Shit. Mm. Mm. Oh my fucking god. Bro. Oh my goodness. Oh Jesus. Oh. Mm. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. That is the one. Mm. Oh fuck. Alright. I don't even want to finish it because I should have got 2. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh. Stop. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Bruh. On everything I love, the hype was real. Everybody talking about, oh, y'all shouldn't be promoting Popeyes, y'all should be promoting each other businesses. My nigga, if anybody or any company in this world could make a sandwich that good, it's gonna get promoted the same way. Yo, when I tell you I never tasted a sandwich that good, bruh, I swear on everything. Like, I'm not even no clout chasing. I made, yeah, I probably kept I went a little overboard with the I'm just expressing how I feel. Like, I can't there's no other way to express how I feel about this goddamn like, god damn. If you tried it already, bro, like, I'm dead. Like, I'm with a straight face. Like, I'm not even being funny no more. Like, that sandwich just changed everything, bro. It changed my whole, my taste buds, everything. It's like, it's not only the chicken, cause I was planning on, if they didn't have it today, like I said, I was gonna get bread and just put chicken tenders on top. But it's not only the chicken, it's the bread. The bread is tender. The chicken just waters in your mouth, bro. It's so soft. When you bite it, it just like dissolves in your mouth like cotton candy, bro. Dead ass, like, you gotta try this shit. Like, the chicken that's on there, it's not that the chicken is good, it's the bread, bro. It's the bread with the chicken together. You get what I'm saying? The fuck is... No matter how long that line is, try this motherfucking sandwich, bro. I'm telling you right now. Like, it tastes better than Popeye's chicken, bro. It tastes better, cause sometimes they chicken be dry. Like, that motherfucker is so fresh. Try it. Leave a like if you already tried it. Comment when you try it. TY out, man. I love y'all. I told y'all I'm being real. New videos coming like crazy. We going crazy. Gaming channel might not come right now because I gotta do and add a little bit more shit to get my gaming channel up and going. But these videos, they coming. Comment what video you want to see, bruh. Hit me up on my IG, bruh. I reply to everybody, bruh. I'm telling y'all, hit me up, man. We going crazy, man. We going for that 30,000, bruh. Y'all remember the old days? Share this video. Share it. You feel me? Share it, bruh. Let's hit that 30,000 subscribers, man. We gotta do that before the year out. We need 30,000. No cap.